Good morning to all my dear students. Yesterday you all have recognized and you all have read letter A to H, small letter A to H, right? So today I will teach you how you all have to write a small letter A. Now everyone take out your English notebook, English copy, right? Write down classwork and today's date. What is today's date? 11.8.20, 11 August 20. And like this you have to write what? Small a or a capital A? Which A is this? Can anyone tell me? Capital A, right? You all have learned now how you have to write this A in your notebook. Now this is capital A and this is a small a. Now what you are going to do, you have to write both the A's. Mama A and baby A, that is capital A also and small a also. Write both the A in your copies. So it will be easy for you to differentiate between the two, capital and small. Then write 4 times which A? Small a, because you have already done till A to Z capital. Now we'll learn how you all have to make small a. 4 times A. Now look here beta, how you all have to do it in your notebook. Place your pencil on the blue line beta, not on the red line, because you are writing small a. Okay, so you have to place the pencil on the black line. Just write like this, okay, oval, circle, and then make a curve like this. Then again look here, you have to place your pencil on the which line? Black line, not on the red line. Just make an oval like this. You have to make a circle, and after making a circle, from here you have to make a small curve. You have to make a small curve like this. You have to make what? Circle, and then you have to make a small curve like this. Again look here beta, how you have to write like this, an oval and then a small curve again. And you don't have to write on the red line beta, you only have to write in between the black line. You have to write between the black line only, not on the upper red line and neither on the lower red line. Just make an oval, a circle like this, and a curve like this. You're going to write a small letter A, baby A. Like this you're going to complete your classwork, neat and clean. Okay, everyone will write very neat letter A like this. Okay, and write both the A, so it will be easy for you na to differentiate that which one is capital A and which one is small a. Now like this you are going to complete the work. Okay, and one thing very important beta, you don't have to write in between. No, you don't have to write in between the lines. You just have to write in a proper way, neat and clean. And yes, what is the phonetic sound of A? A, apple, A, ant. Okay, now do your work like this, complete your work and send the pic of your page. Okay, bye bye.